Exploring the healing power of biblical herbs for holistic wellness. Can ancient wisdom truly enhance modern wellness? Join me on a journey to explore the power of biblical herbs and uncover how these time-honored remedies can transform holistic health. The concept of biblical herbs is one that has always fascinated me. Not only are they rooted in ancient traditions, but they also hold significant importance in holistic wellness. As more and more people become disillusioned with conventional medicine, there's a growing interest in natural remedies that can heal the body, mind, and spirit. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with stress, anxiety, and diseases that can wreak havoc on our overall well-being. From chronic inflammation to mental health disorders, it's no wonder people are seeking alternatives to conventional medicine. The problem is, many modern medicines can have nasty side effects, and sometimes they only mask the symptoms rather than addressing the root cause of the issue. This is where holistic solutions come in, focusing on the whole person, not just the symptoms. We need to take a step back, reevaluate our approach to health, and explore natural remedies that can promote true wellness. We're plagued by digestive issues, skin problems, and autoimmune diseases, which can leave us feeling hopeless and helpless. But what if I told you that there's a way to tap into the wisdom of the past and find solace in the healing power of biblical herbs? Herbs that have been used for centuries to treat ailments and promote overall health. It's time to take matters into our own hands and explore the world of natural remedies that can help us achieve true wellness. We're quick to turn to modern medicine for a quick fix, but what if we took a moment to examine the ancient wisdom of biblical herbs that were used by our ancestors to treat everything from inflammation to skin conditions? These herbs have been mentioned in Scripture, and their potential health benefits are nothing short of remarkable. Let's take frankincense, for example. This ancient resin has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Then there's myrrh, which has been used to treat wounds, reduce pain, and even combat fungal infections. In the Bible, hyssop is mentioned as a cleansing agent, and it's still used today to treat respiratory issues, skin conditions, and even digestive problems. These herbs are not just relics of the past. They hold real power in promoting our overall wellness. And the best part is, they're completely natural. Not only do these herbs hold spiritual significance, but they also have real-world applications that can improve our lives. Imagine incorporating these herbs into your daily routine. That's what biblical herbs can do. They can help us tap into the ancient wisdom of our ancestors and find solace in the natural world. So what's the takeaway from all this? Incorporating biblical herbs into your holistic wellness routine can be a game changer. Not only do they hold historical significance, but they also have real potential health benefits that can improve our lives. Whether you're struggling with anxiety, frankincense has been used historically for its calming and stress-relieving effects, both in aromatherapy and as a supplement. The compound found in its resin may help regulate mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety, digestive issues, or skin problems. There's a biblical herb out there that can help. Remember, individual results may vary. This video is for informational purposes only. Before making significant dietary or lifestyle changes, consult with your healthcare provider. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of biblical herbs. I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on incorporating these herbs into your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on holistic health and wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-backed strategies to live your healthiest, most energized life. Together, we can build a stronger, more focused, and unstoppable version of you. Until next time, stay fueled, stay energized, and take charge of your best self. See you in the next video.